Years ago, a soldier found a tiny, abandoned puppy in a war zone. The little pup was scared and alone. The soldier took the puppy into his arms and brought him to safety. They quickly formed a strong bond. But soon, duty called, and the soldier had to say goodbye. Years passed and fate had something incredible in store. When the soldier visited a shelter one day, something amazing happened. The dog recognized his hero instantly and ran toward him at full speed. After all these years, their love had never faded. True love is never forgotten. And sometimes destiny brings us back together when we least expect it.